National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for Grayson County in north central Texas until 7 p.m. At 4:06 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm reducing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly due to recent heavy rainfall across the area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Sherman, Denison, Whitesboro, Van Alstyne, Pottsboro, Collinsville, Whitewright, Gunter, Bells, Tombeen, Millwood, Dorchester, Eisenhower State Park, Southern Lake Texoma, South Maid, Tioga, Salem, and Luella. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 inch is possible in the warned area. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life.